The weather turns rainy, then icy over the next 24 hours, resulting in some slick spots around the state line, mainly Joe Daviess and Stevenson counties and all of southern Wisconsin. This is going into effect at midnight, lasting through 6. That winter weather advisory just highlighting where we could see the heaviest of the ice accumulations. It doesn't mean the rest of the state line avoids freezing rain, but these are the spots that see a light glaze of ice, possibly causing some slick roads as well as some isolated power outages. Rest of the state line then under a flood watch. This is mostly for river flooding, but a few low-lying spots may see some flooding as well. Could pick up over a half an inch of rainfall, causing some issues later tonight and into tomorrow morning. Right now, radar pretty quiet, but we're sandwiched between some warm and cold air, so that'll help determine where we see freezing rain and where we may see just regular rain showers and thunderstorms. First up, it's rain showers across all of the state lines. We don't have to worry about the iciness just yet. That stays off to our north through the night. But into tomorrow morning, as some cold air sneaks in behind this low pressure, you can see that freezing rain line sneak just south of the Wisconsin-Illinois state line. Elsewhere, it's a lot of rainfall and even possibly some rumbles of thunder into tomorrow morning. After that, the low pressure slowly leaves, brings in more cold air, and the rest of the state line could see a brief round of freezing rain and sleet into tomorrow afternoon and evening. So here's a more local view on future track. You can see the drizzly to light rain showers setting up tonight. I think after about 8 o'clock to midnight is when a lot of this starts up. We'll have some patchy fog with this as well. After midnight, may get some pockets of heavier rainfall, but for the most part, still looking drizzly until we get to sunrise tomorrow. Then may get a couple rumbles of thunder south of US 20 and I-90. North of there, especially the farther northwest you go, starting to see that freezing rain, so watch out for iciness during the morning commute. That continues through noon tomorrow. Then we have the colder air sliding through, so the rest of the state line could see a brief round of freezing rain and sleet. Right about the midpoint of tomorrow afternoon, we should be dry by tomorrow evening. So plenty to break down here. First up, rainy and foggy tonight. Some heavy rainfall pockets possible. Have to keep an eye on the rivers across our areas. That's what could result in some flooding between the frozen ground and all that rain coming through. Then tomorrow, mostly near Freeport and along the Wisconsin-Illinois state line. That's where we have those pockets of freezing rain that could impact the morning commute in these spots. But keep in mind, temperatures drop throughout the day tomorrow. So we get into the middle of tomorrow afternoon, rest of the state line could see a brief round of freezing rain and sleet before we dry out and stay chilly. The rest of the evening and the rest of the week, we're cold enough for just straight snow showers going into Thursday. Right now, it looks to be a light amount of snow. Then we stay dry and chilly into next week in your most accurate 10-day forecast. We head into March with slightly milder weather. Brittany?
Alex, thanks for that.